Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to solve one-step equations. So when we say solve, what we mean by that is we want x just by itself on one side, and we want all the numbers on the other side. Another way of saying solve would be to isolate for x. And so if we look at the first example here, the x is being added x plus 4. The 4 is adding itself to the x, and we want this 4, we want this 4 gone. So what we need to do is we need to subtract 4 from both sides. When we do, this here, the 4 and the negative 4, that is a 0 pair, and that vanishes. And so you will have x equals 7, take away 4, and that is a 3. Okay, so how do we know that this is the right answer? So to do that, what we realize is in this equation here, this side of the equation is the left side of the equation, and this side of the equation is the right side. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the left side, which is x plus 4, and since I know the value of x is a 3, I'm going to substitute this number 3 instead of the x here. So I'm going to take this 3 and I'm going to substitute in that spot. So what do I get? So I will be 3 plus 4, and that is equal to 7. And I'm going to take the right side of the equation. Now, the right side of the equation is from here. The right side equals 7. So I know the right side is 7. And what I realize is this. My left side value, which is 7, and my right side value is also 7, because of which I can say the left side now equals right side, which means the answer I have, x equals 3, is the correct answer. So this is the correct answer because the left side equals the right side. And you can do this check for all equations. Doesn't matter how big, how complicated it is, you can do that. So moving on to the next problem here, what we notice here is that the 4 is subtracting the x, and we need to do the opposite operation. The opposite operation in the first case, the first problem was because this was addition, we did the opposite operation, which is subtraction. In this case, the operation that is happening here is a subtraction, which means I need to do a addition. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go plus 4, add 4 on the left side, and whatever I do on the left side, I must do on the right side. And I notice right away that there is a 0 pair, and that goes away. So what I have now is x equals 7 plus 4 on the right side. So 7 plus 4, and I know that 7 plus 4 is 11, and so that is my answer. Again, how do I know if this is the right answer? So I know that the left side, that is the left side, and the left side is x minus 4. So since I have x equals 11, I'm going to substitute the value for x instead of 11 here. So that is going to be 11 take away 4, which is 7. And we know the right side here is 7. So the right side is 7. Right away we see that the left side value equals the right side value. Both are 7. Therefore, x equals 11 is my correct answer. So we have seen examples for 4, for addition and subtraction. What if we have to handle division and multiplication? So here we go. So what is the 3 doing here? The 3 and the x are multiplying. The opposite operation of multiplication is division. So I am going to divide the left side by 3. And whatever I do on one side, I must always do on the other side. So here's an interesting thing that happens. The 3 is multiplying the x. Another 3 is dividing the x. When you multiply something by 3, and if you divide something by the same 3 again, they cancel each other out. And so the x value is 12 divided by 3, and that is equal to 4. So you can do the left side, right side check here again. And so the left side originally was simply 3x. Substitute the 4 there. So 3 times 4, that is 12. The right side, you notice originally the right side was 12. So the right side is 12. Now we see that the left side equals the right side. And so my answer must be correct. Again, what happens when we have a division problem like that? X is being divided by 3. So to get rid of the division, I need to do the opposite operation. I need to do the opposite operation on both sides of my equation. So doing the opposite operation, I'm going to multiply the left side by 3. Whatever I do on the left side, I have to do on the right side. So the multiplication division of the same number cancels out, and what I have is a negative 12 because negative 4 times 3 is a negative 12. So we can do the left side, right side comparison here again. So here we go. The left side is that, and the right side is that from the original equation. So the left side is x divided by x divided by um, 3. I made a mistake, so let me correct that. So again, substitute this number right here. So negative 12 instead of x, divide by 3, and that is equal to a negative 4. We also see from the original equation, the right side is negative 4. So the right side is negative 4. And we notice right away that the left side equals the right side. So we know for sure that that is the correct answer. See you in the next video.